Okay, so this is a walkthrough of lab. We're going to be configuring password protected Apache directory and a lot more fun stuff. So I'm making use of a virtual machine, Backtrack 5. So I'm going to open terminal on Backtrack. First of all, you need to know this is me documenting my cybersecurity journey. So this is the ethical hacking class, and I just want to document it for my personal use. Maybe in the future, if I find it useful to put it out there, I'm sure there will be somebody that will be able to benefit from this documentation. So I'm going to open terminal on Backtrack. I'm working with my instructor's guidelines, so this is me doing my assignment. So I'm not taking credit for the knowledge. I'm recognizing my professor, Professor Schweib. So to create Apache web directory, we're going to make use of these commands. Make directory. Let me see if I can even do copy and paste. Interesting. So we're going to make a directory first. Nah. Okay, so we'll change ownership, data. Now let's see the content. LD. Okay. So we have www data and data. Okay. Now we're going to create a web directory password. ht password d student. So the new password will be try to hack me. T. Oh no, I've made a mistake. What do I do? Okay, let me just type TRY to H4CKM3. It's going to tell me it's an error because TRY to H4CKM3. Yeah. Adding password for user students. Okay. password is encrypted. So next step is to back up and edit the apache2.conf file. So we're going to change into that directory. etc. So we'll copy apache2. Send it to dev. What happened? Why is it the other way around? Now, access the gedit preferences part 1. So I'm going to click edit and click preferences. So under file, edit, select preferences. Next, access the edit preferences. So we're going to check display line numbers. Display line numbers and highlight current line and close. So now it's showing us the line numbers and it's highlighting where we are. So we're going to search for satisfy all. So click find. Under search, find. So search find, search for satisfy all. Then okay. Making some room. So I wrote down one line after the line that contains file. Then press enter 2 times. Now there should be 3 blank lines. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now there should be 3 blank lines after the line that contains files. So copy below Apache directories. I don't even know if I can copy. Let's see. Copy 166. Edit and paste. What's wrong with my copy function now? Oh dear. Is my VM tools not working? Oh no. I have to type this thing. Oh no. Well, unfortunately for me, I'm not ready to start checking why the VM is now. I'm going to pause this, type it, and then continue, okay? Okay, so I paused it for a while to type up all this. Since my copy and paste function is not working, I'll have to look at that later. It has to do with my VM tools. So after that, we paste. So then next, save the work. So go to File, Save, Save, and then finally close the file. How come I have to? Is it hanging now? Because this guy. Okay. So let's restart service Apache restart. Service. This is the first time I'm doing this lab, so like I said, it's a walkthrough of my assignment, but I'm documenting it so that when I need to reference it, I can always play back this recording. Service Apache to restart, and then PS EAF grep variables. So the service command runs the following init script: Apache hold on. So that's service Apache 2 restart. So it will perform some action restart. Then the PSE-EAF show me all the processes. Grep. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, let me just show this. So the service command runs the following init script: Apache 2 to perform some action restart. Then PS-EAF show me all the processes. Grep Apache 2 only show me Apache 2 processes. And then the grep command -v grep, ignore the actual grep command, searching for Apache 2 processes. So that's just what just to explain. Okay, so we get our so once done, we say enter. So it shows us the processes. We have the root, WW data. So 1926 on the timestamps. So now we're going to capture base 64 web authentication. So prepare to sniff traffic. Okay, cd var www. Now I want to do a TCPDUMP. TCP -a hyphen I any T 2 and 1 sniff traffic .txt. Let me save it into that file. So TCP dump is used to dump and view network traffic. The -a means to display the ASCII format. The -I, any, means to listen on any port. T is used to both view the contents of TCP dump and the log. And then log a file named sniff-traffic.txt. Does that make sense? I don't think so. Hold on. Log it to a file named sniff.traffic.txt. Yeah, because let's save it. Then the 2 greater than symbol &1 means to log all standard errors 2 into a standard output 1. Okay, let's run it. Is listening to any TCP dump verbose output suppressed. Full protocol decode. Link type Linux. Capture size this. So now we're going to have to open Firefox application, Internet Firefox. Okay. Navigate to password protected directory. So 127.0. So it's a local host. So 127.0.0.1. We need to start with the wak HTTP. Top secret. So the username, student, password, try hack me. I hope that password I typed in is correct. Otherwise, this better work. Try to hack me. Oh yes, we did it. That's a success. Okay. So now stop TCP dump. Press Control and C keys at the same time to stop TCP dump. No. So it's still capturing, right? So, well, okay. We've stopped the TCP dump file. First Control C is stopped. Okay. Encrypted Apache authorization request. So now we're going to view the encrypted Apache authorization request using this command: grep authorization basic sniff. Okay. Let's type it. Grep authorization basic sniff traffic.txt till -1 above. So when you click enter, so that's the encrypted authorization string. that is sent to the Apache web server. Okay. So you see, if you try this, you should see some encrypted text similar to mine. Above is the authorization string being made to the Apache web server. So now we want to crack basic 64 traffic with Perl. So you need to download Perl base 64 decoding script. So using this, I really don't know why I'm not able to copy. I did this copy and paste the last time. This is so annoying. Let's try again. Control C. Paste is not enabled. So God, I have to type this too. I'm gonna pause one more time. Okay, so I've downloaded Perl. From the website. So now I'm going to move it. The code, let's go is 64.per.txt to decode is 64. Hell. Change, modify the 700 decode. Cannot access the code. No such file or directory. What does that mean? I moved you to decode of base 64. Oh, I didn't put base 64. Okay. Okay. So let's see what's the content of decode 64. Okay. So there's the Perl script. So to explain all that we've been doing, wget is used to download files from web pages. Move is a mv is the move or rename command in Unix or Linux world. Ch ownership, change ownership, or ch modify is used to change the file owner and or group ownership. ls is used to list the directory contents. -l provides a long listing or details of the file. So having explained that, next thing we want to do is to run this base 64 decoding script. Okay, so we're going to type it in. Decode base 64. So this is the Perl script that is using the MIME base 64 module to decode base 64 encoding. So notice how we can easily decode and extract both the username and the password. Just watch. Voila. Username is student. Password is tryhackme. I guess I should maximize that so that you can see it very well. So see, we're able to decode the username as student. So this is okay. Now I have to prove. So that's the end of the lab. Thank you for watching.